Let's have a little pep talk about Python. PEPs, or Python enhancement proposals, can be submitted by anyone who has an idea about how to enhance the Python language. These are then reviewed, rejected, or accepted by the Python community as a way to evolve the language. PEPs can also be used to provide guidelines. Some examples of PEPs include PEP 0, which is an index to all of the PEPs, PEP 1, which states the purpose of each PEP, and PEP 8, which is the Python code style guide. The Python philosophy is stated by PEP 20, which is known as the Zen of Python. This PEP 20 lays out the design principles for Python code. It states 20 aphorisms, but only 19 have been written down. Although all of the PEPs are available online, this particular PEP is accessible from within the Python shell. If you execute import this inside of a shell, you'll be able to read the Zen of Python. Python is not named after the snake. Python is named after a 1970s comedy troupe that the creator of Python, Guido van Rossum, was a big fan. Consequently, there's many things about Python that have kind of a lighthearted or comedic feel to them. Some Python terminology that you should know includes Pythonic, where code that follows the Python philosophy and is written in a very native way is considered Pythonic. This is a good thing. Whereas code that looks like it was written in another language and then ported over to Python, where it is written in kind of a clumsy way, is considered unPythonic. And of course, this is a negative term. If you're a Python practitioner, you might be called a Pythonista, a Pythonist, or something else that plays on Python.